Hello, the UK set for a pretty lively spell of weather through Monday night into Tuesday as Storm Helene drifts in from the Atlantic. But before that happens, a lot quieter picture, mainly dry through this evening and overnight, just one or two showers continuing across parts of Scotland. There could be some damp weather across the south through Sunday evening and overnight, but I think much of that rain will tend to ease, but it will leave a lot of cloud around, some coastal and hill fog too. Come further north, it's mainly dry, one or two mist and fog patches, but showers continuing across northern Scotland through much of the night. Now, it's going to be quite a cool night across many central and northern parts, but come further south, temperatures not really dropping below 16 or 17 degrees. So a fair amount of cloud around first thing across the south, but I think that cloud tending to lift and break through the day, and actually many central and eastern parts getting away with a fairly dry, bright and sunny day. But more cloud the further north and west you come, and that cloud will push outbreaks of rain in across Northern Ireland and by the middle part of the afternoon Scotland and northern England. Most of this rain at this point should be fairly light and patchy, with the heaviest of the rain still waiting out in the west. Winds will strengthen across the whole of the UK, but particularly in the west down these Irish Sea coasts. So by the middle to latter part of the afternoon, we could start to see some coastal gales. That will take the edge of the temperatures here, but across England and Wales, actually a pretty warm day to come. We've got some warm air across the country, so we could see highs of 24, 25 degrees there towards London and the southeast. Then all eyes out towards the west then as Storm Helene approaches from the Atlantic. It's going to push its way in across the UK through Monday evening, overnight and through the early hours of Tuesday morning, bringing a spell of very heavy rain across many northern and western parts. But it's the strength of the wind we're keeping the closest eye on. We've already got a yellow be aware warning out in force for those strong winds, affecting much of southwest England, Wales, North England and southern parts of Scotland too. Now widely here we could see gusts of 50 to 60 miles an hour, locally in excess of 70 miles an hour. That could bring some impact, so it's definitely worth staying in touch with the forecast for that. Storm Helene will get pushed away through Tuesday and into Wednesday, and then for Wednesday itself, another area of low pressure pushes in from the Atlantic. And you can see here from the tightly packed isobars some more strong winds on the way, particularly across northern areas. Definitely one to watch for that. And then by the end of the working week, another area of low pressure pushes in, so it's going to stay changeable throughout this working week. So here's a summary of the next few days. Strong winds at times, particularly in the north, spells of rain, especially in the northwest, but the best of any dry and brighter weather in the south and southeast.